I currently work within the corporate tax team, so I could do a range of things such as writing a report about a single transaction or a group reporting about a single entity or a group of entities, corporate tax compliance work, which is your tax return, so even an individual has that as well, or just advisory on a single transaction. It's not just a tax aspect you deal with, you're dealing with the whole client and you're understanding what their business is about, what their industry is about, so you develop a lot of knowledge about different sectors that you wouldn't have known or come across before. A typical day is a changing day, which suits my personality quite perfectly because I don't have monotony, I have fingers in different parts, so a typical day is changing. I think what people sometimes misunderstand with tax is that it's more numbers, and I would say that you need to be more literate at the same time. I would call tax a profession which is law with numbers. It's a great amalgamation of literacy and numeracy, so you're going to find an element you're liking. The ACA qualification prepares you to be organised and analytical, and it gives you a large breadth of knowledge across not just your specialism but across the whole of finance, accountancy and business. And when you're at work, you're not just tested on those elements, but having that breadth of knowledge actually prepares you in the best way possible. Top tips for success: study hard. Your ACA qualification is highly coveted and highly regarded in the industry, so you need to make sure that you do well and you pass those qualifications, because that will act as your passport to a world within business and finance and accountancy. And also remember that we're still dealing with people, so the client aspect is very important. To be personable, to have the soft skills to talk to clients and to explain a situation. I like coming into work at Mazars and know that the people I'm spending most of my day with are actually not just my colleagues, but the people that I actually spend time outside of work, and I would call them friends. So the people and the environment that Mazars has given me in London is quite different to what I expected from an accountancy and tax firm. Tax, I would definitely recommend it because it looks boring on the outside, but it's not when you get into it, and you'll only realise that when you study or actually come and do work experience or actually work within the department. Tax is interesting because it also involves different elements such as the accounting, different types of tax, different jurisdictions. So I find it very interesting, I enjoy it, I hope that comes across, and hopefully somebody else will find this useful and feel like they want to give the boring tax a little bit more of a chance.